Hello, YouTube. I have 5 clips I'd like to share with you. This first one here is, well, has two different elements to it. The lead car makes an unnecessary stop at the railroad tracks, which I don't understand. I mean, you can see it, like, what's up with you, man? Are you hauling eggs or what? And the second element is this guy in front of me. He's not driving in the middle of the road, and then obviously this guy on the motorcycle is going the wrong way on a one-way street, and the bike did have a license plate on it. But like I said, you can see this guy in front of me, the one on my right. He's like driving in the parking lane. Watch like when he pulls out here. Like if he would have kept going that way, he would have smashed right into that parked car because he doesn't know how to drive his vehicle up the middle of the road like it's supposed to. The second element here, this is clip number 2. 2 jaywalkers. This one guy doesn't know what the do not walk sign means. You see him there with the red shirt? And then this guy's over the line waiting to turn, and then we got a guy in a green shirt here. He's walking in the middle of the road too. That's the second clip. Third clip. Person pulls right out in front of me when I had the green light. Right after this next intersection, you'll see what I'm talking about. I believe a Hispanic lady driving a white car right out in front of me on a red light. Left on red. There it is. These people, I don't know. Next clip. I'm going to the store late at night before they close. I needed some things. This dude up ahead doesn't know what a sidewalk is. He's walking right down the middle of the goddamn road. Check this person out. The only thing you see is his bags. He's all in dark colors. Another genius. I don't know. I don't know where these people come from. Last clip. On the left, there's a car coming across Main Street. On my left-hand side, he blows right through the stop sign and almost hits me. Wait for it. Here it is right here. Right through the stop sign. So that's it, YouTube. Thanks for coming along. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll see you all again later. Bye-bye.